and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm Cory, and that is the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. Y'all have complained here on the channel that nobody's driving these yet. Well, here at the State Fair of Texas, not only can you ride in them, you can ride in one flying through the air, and I did just that. So stick around with me, and we'll take a ride. All right, gearheads, yes, I said I am at the State Fair, Texas with the Ram RHO right at one of the main entrances of the State Fair. And one of your biggest complaints is that all we've been doing is walkarounds of these. We haven't been firing them up. We haven't been riding in them. Well, maybe I haven't gotten a chance to drive it yet, but you can take a ride with one in one at the State Fair of Texas. I'm gonna do just that here in this video. You do 2 laps in under 2 minutes. It is very quick, but you can hear exactly what that Hurricane turbocharged inline 6 sounds like, tuned for RHO duty. Yeah, we're gonna take a ride, then we're gonna take a quick tour of one that they've got outside here. Despite what you may have seen on that last clip, I was having an absolute blast. I did not lose that smile the entire time I was in this pickup truck. So you do go around a couple of times. You have these very high banked sides. There are 2 jumps. This is the smaller one, and then you come around this banked corner, and then they really gun it, push it for this big jump. This is the one that you see multiple angles of, multiple different trucks of from me here in this video. It is where they really give it the gas to get that big jump. Also, despite what it sounds like when you watch this video and the landing, you really don't feel the landing that much. The 13 inches of wheel travel really helps soak up the fact that you are going through the air. If you did not know you were leaving the air, you probably wouldn't feel it. I have felt worse bumps traveling around Tyler than what I felt in this RHO. A quick experience through them. Oh, we're gonna get to hear them again. Here they come through. There they go. You can hear that turbo. You can hear the little burble of the exhaust. It definitely sounds different than the last tungsten I was in. That is for 100% sure. Be sure and come by, get your t-shirt, represent, let Ram know that they are still building fun trucks, because despite the fact that there is no Hemi V8 under the hood of this, it is still a lot of fun. Look, there they go. 1, 2. They're showing off for me now. They see the camera. him take a few jumps. Here we go. I hope that worked for you. That is the best I could do. They were churning and burning people through that line, but if you didn't see our original video from the state fair, here's another one for you. Underneath the hood, no more Hemi V8. This is the Hurricane Inline 6, 3 liters of twin turbocharged power. No, it's not the same, but I have sampled this engine on this channel for myself for a full week in the top luxury trim, the Tungsten, and this is a truly solid powertrain. More power, more torque than a non-supercharged 6.4 Hemi. So it is quite potent, but no, we don't get any dipstick. That's the big controversy there. For RHO duty, you can see we get a massive air filter on this one, and the airbox, the Ram air system here does actually allow air in through the nostrils here and pump it straight into the airbox. We also have the Flotai-esque Ram hollowed out logo up front here. And now that it's getting dark outside, you can see we have new updated LED lighting up front for 2025. So it does look slightly different, more upscale, a little nicer than the older models. But otherwise, this very much resembles the TRX that it doesn't replace. Yes, don't call this a TRX replacement, even though outside of the engine swap, there is a lot similar here. Think of this more as a Ford F-150 Raptor fighter versus a Ford F-150 Raptor R, which was Ford's response to the TRX in the first place. So Ram's doing it a little bit backwards. You can see we've got these beadlock capable wheels with Goodyear Wrangler tires, massive shocks back here. We'll show you the Bilstein dampers and all the active terrain management stuff going on underneath here. You will note Ram is the first full-size truck to ditch leaf springs in the back, so that is no different here. And this is absolutely a massive truck. It stands wider, taller, and yes, as you can hear them ripping around behind me, they are louder than the standard pickup truck. But I'm curious, outside of this RHO on the side and the RHO back here on the tailgate, will anybody know that this is not a TRX? Again, for 2025, mid-cycle refresh, minor tweaks to the design, different taillights, different headlights, slightly different grille up front, but otherwise, this very much resembles the TRX. I mean, even down to the big honking dual exit exhaust back here, those wide fenders, and then coming to the inside, Ram does interiors exceptionally well. This has a very nice, very luxurious interior. I do apologize, it is dark. You can see the sun has set, but we get these RHO embroidered seats. They're leather. No suede on this one, but we do have suede inserts here. We get the VIN plate belt buckle here with the RHO. It's a rhino on it. Go see our red video from the State Fair Media Preview Day if you need a little bit more light, but full digital screen here. Larger, tall infotainment screen here in this one. We get the rear view camera mirror in this one, so we can watch all those RHOs go by us back there in the back. You can opt for a big panoramic glass roof if you want. But before I leave the front, I do want to say some luxuries. Adjustable pedals, I really like that. That works for Holly and I. Another thing I really like about Ram pickup trucks, the back seat. While yes, it is a 60/40, yes, it is slightly backwards in that the 40% is over here. This right here, this is a recline. So this seat reclines unlike any other pickup truck in the class. We do have lots of power. I like how FCA Stellantis gives you USB-A and USB-C ports. You can see heated and ventilated seats on the outside back here. So this truly is a very luxurious truck that can do all this kind of stuff. And I have got two friends that will be driving one of these later this month in the Rebel Rally. Yes, that is right. If you've been following us for a while, you know Kristen Shaw, Jill Simonillo of Team Brute Squad will be doing the Rebel Rally in a 2025 RHO. They are driving it later this month, and they haven't even got to drive one of these yet. They actually came here to the state fair, Kristen did, and her first experience was exactly what you can experience here at the Ram booth at the State Fair of Texas. So if you want to get behind the wheel of one, so to speak, right along, these drivers have no fear whatsoever, and they will push these trucks to the absolute limit. You can see line is right over there. You get a lot of free swag. You get a t-shirt. In fact, gotta show you my shirt. Gotta represent for Ram here. We've got our Ram RHO shirt. So you get a lot of swag after you get to experience the RHO for yourself. If you want to experience it for yourself, get down here to the State Fair of Texas, Dallas, Texas, downtown. You can see more from us by hitting that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell so you're notified every time a future video hits. Find us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, Threads, YouTube, you name it. Everything's at GT Garage Talk, or you can go to gtgaragetalk.com. As for me, I'm about to lose my voice with all the shouting I'm doing over these loud trucks back behind me. Until next time, gearheads, bye.